The Bank of Ghana's fraud report reflects trends in fraud typologies observed in relation to services provided by banks, specialized deposit-taking institutions, SDIs, and payment service providers, PSPs. In 2022, there were 2,998 attempted fraud cases in the banking and SDI sectors compared to 2,347 in 2021, a 27.74% rise. Meanwhile, overall lost value in 2022 was roughly 56 million Ghana cedis, down from 61 million Ghana cedis in 2021. This represents a 7.88% reduction from 2021. Forgery and manipulation of papers, fraudulent withdrawals, check fraud, cyber, email and cash fraud were the most common that affected most institutions. Forgery and document manipulation emerged as the most prominent fraud category. This resulted in the loss of 33 million cedis. Another issue that is on the rise is fraudulent withdrawal. This includes money being illegally removed from consumers' accounts, resulting in losses of 7 million Ghana cedis with the assistance of bank and SDI workers. Check fraud resulted in a loss of 5 million Ghana cedis. Cloned checks were the most prevalent. According to the study, all fraud reports by payment service providers in 2022 were mobile money related, totaling 27 million Ghana cedis. Some recoveries were achieved as a result of this, lowering the actual loss to 26 million Ghana cedis. A repented mobile money scammer reveals the modus operandi for duping unsuspecting customers. He spoke on our sister station, Asempa FM.
Yeah, gang, yeah, Dawson. Inti your microphone bi wo ha. Ya mo musika so monko ye merchant e wo kwan ho.
We are a gang. We have planted people as mobile money agents or merchants, so we are able to capture your contact details when you transact.
Wo number one ho. Sika no so deposit no one ho. Inti da se unya ye wie na ukope obetwa. No, they are sending.
We have a code that can reveal all your registration information, including your ID number. So after the day's work, we access the log and start calling the numbers, having in mind the amount in your account with the aim to get your code.
You receive maybe 1 hour ago. Another 3 days ago.
Another way is to capture your code with a CCTV camera in our office, or get someone to overlook your shoulders for the code. For that, you can access your money directly.
The camera na capture. You see on our number or code or ID number so into street.
Meanwhile, the Bank of Ghana has begun rolling out measures to protect the integrity of the banking system. Dr. Joseph France is the head of financial stability.
We are very, very safe. And the first step is what we have done. Tell the public, including yourselves, what has happened, right information, credible information to the public. We have done other things to ensure that controls are strengthened. And we also, on our own way, try to get data to share with persons on no basis. So, yes, so much is being done. There are problems, though, and some difficulties, because you have to operate within the ambit of the law. There are data protection issues and so on. There are structures that we have put in place to handle these things.
The telcos have started taking steps to educate customers while boosting the security of their systems. Dr. Ken Ashigbe is CEO of the Ghana Telecoms Chamber.
Arrested. So it's one of the things that now we are having to educate people about, that do not allow any stranger to just use your biometrics to register a card. It is going to be in your name. It's going to be your data that is under all of that. So in terms of the security of the platforms, so constantly when reports are done, the good thing is that it's digital. So you'll be able to find and fish out if there's an agent in there who is complicit or who is part of the case, and then you'll be able to take them out. So on a constant basis, you are looking up for those things that would happen that you then can use to clean up, your agent registry. As you say, you're looking at around 400,000 different agents. The fact that some of them could be involved in this is not something you write out. So you are constantly using the data to make sure that once you find these people, not only do you deal with them, take them out, but you also working together with the police. You also make sure that if there are any criminalities involved in that, you take criminal action.